Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the government building a new dam to replace Hermitage Dam. Now Hermitage Dam is 90 years old, and when it was built it was to have a useful life of 50 years. So it has far exceeded its useful life. Now also Jamaica needs bigger dams. In Kingston we have the Mona Reservoir and the Hermitage Dam. But these two, at their current capacity, cannot supply Kingston with water because of the massive increase in housing developments across Kingston. So the government plans to rebuild the Hermitage Dam and expand the Mona Reservoir. So today we are going to give you an update on what they plan to do with the Hermitage Dam. The government of Jamaica has unveiled a comprehensive and forward-looking plan to strengthen the country's water storage systems, recognizing the critical role water plays in national development and the achievement of Vision 2030. The minister highlighted that Jamaica's water infrastructure has historically relied on three major investments made over the past century: the Hermitage Dam in the 1920s, the Mona Reservoir in the 1940s, and the Yallahs Pipeline in the 1980s. While these systems once provided stability for Kingston and St. Andrew, population growth, urban expansion, and aging infrastructure have significantly reduced their effectiveness over time. In response, the government has initiated a major engineering project to rehabilitate and upgrade the Hermitage Dam, which is now more than 90 years old. Originally constructed with a 50-year engineering lifespan, the dam has exceeded its intended service life and requires urgent intervention. The project to be undertaken by the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority will involve constructing a new dam wall while removing the existing structure and desilting the reservoir basin. Once completed, the upgraded dam is expected to double its current storage capacity, significantly improving water security and resilience for Kingston and St. Andrew. This initiative forms a key part of the government's broader strategy to modernize water infrastructure, enhance climate resilience, and ensure a reliable supply of water to meet the demands of a growing population. Overall, the plan reflects a renewed commitment by the government to invest in critical infrastructure, safeguard public health, and support sustainable development across Jamaica. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.